si Miss Andy Eigenman. Kompleto na ang Siargao trip ko, guys. I went to the Happy Islanders Cafe, which is her cafe with her husband. Ang sarap ng food and all of the items are very healthy. I ordered protein pancakes, I forgot lang the names, and also her agua bendita Spanish latte. Sarap, guys. Even if it wasn't her cafe, I'd definitely be back because the menu is that good and it's pretty unique. Can I just say how kind Miss Andy is also? Kasi she didn't have to do it but she sat down with me, nagkwentuhan pa kami. Tapos binigyan niya pa ako ng tips on where to go in Siargao and kung tama ba yung timing kong magpunta sa Magpupungko Pool. Sobrang thank you talaga, Miss Andy. So, a few tips, no, if you want a picture with Miss Andy, just be patient and look for the right timing. Kasi kung busy siya, alam niyo naman, nagpapatakbo siya ng negosyo. Hindi lang naman siya nandun to take pictures with us. So, look at her body language also. If she's busy, just wait and then ask nicely. If she ever declines, intindihin na lang natin kasi hindi na siya celebrity now. She is a private citizen who just enjoys life in the island. So, yon, when I approached her, prepared naman din ako na kung hindi niya kaya magpa-picture at that time, okay lang naman din sa akin. I went there because the menu is good. I went there 2 times during my stay in Siargao and I really appreciated the coffee. In fact, I told her and gave her a compliment na sana meron din ganito sa Maynila kasi grabe guys, yung smoothie bowl nila may spirulina. Pero masarap. Miss Andy, thank you so much for being so warm and welcoming and agreeing to take a picture with me. And I wish your business all the best. I'm praying for you and for your success this 2026. Can I just say that she's very hands-on with her cafe. She was the one who made all of the recipes. And she really wants to ensure na hindi lang healthy, pero masarap din yung kanyang mga menu.